Hey everyone, it's Keith. Today we're out on motorcycles on the Super Tenere and we're visiting a railroad museum in Chester, Massachusetts. And the gentleman told us about an old roundhouse that was just down the track, so we took a walk. This place dates back probably over 100 years. I'll have to get the exact date. It had 6 bays at one time and it's literally fallen apart. The roof's caved in, but I'll show you some shots of that. And there's a coal tower next door we're going to take a look at there too, so enjoy.